hello student, I am Veena Dikshit. Please subscribe my channel. We are discussing electrochemistry, basics of class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. Very important. For the cell Zn, Zn2 positive, here salt bridge, copper 2 positive, 1m concentration to Cu. So what does it mean? Here it means, I'll tell you from here. Zn is oxidized to Zn2 positive and Cu2 positive is reduced to Cu. Why this is going on? Because Zn at anode Zn is oxidized to Zn2 positive and discharged 2 electrons. These 2 electrons are gained by Cu2 positive and it is deposited as copper. So this is anodic half reaction and this is cathodic half reaction. Means reaction which is taking place at cathode is known as cathodic reaction. The reaction which is taking place at anode is anodic reaction. Now we will, by this we can construct the cell that Zn/Zn2 positive means Zn is oxidized to Zn2 positive. It represents this. And then they are in aqueous medium. Aqueous should be in connection with the salt bridge. That is why remember that always positive charge will be coming over here in contact with each other, and the Cu2 positive grab 2 electron and convert it into copper. So copper is deposited. So which is anode? This is anode. Which is oxidized? It is anode. Which is reduced? It is cathode. So anode and cathode you understand. And now they have given Zn2 positive is equal to 0.763 volt. This is oxidation potential. Zn is oxidized to Zn2 positive, and but we are doing E naught cell. This is reduction potential, all of them. So E naught reduction of cathode, E naught reduction of anode. We think about it, we write like this. So we have to convert this Zn2 positive to Zn2 positive Zn. This is oxidation potential. We have to write down reduction potential, standard reduction potential. Okay, E naught. So at that time only sign will be changed. And this is reduction potential. Yes, of course, this is reduction potential given. Here they have given oxidation potential. Convert it into reduction potential. Then the put this value over here. E naught cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. I told you always that the reduction is there always. E naught reduction of cathode, E naught reduction at values. Okay, so E naught anode, remember, that is fine. So here, and where is cathode? This is cathode. What is the value? 0.3. So it will be coming over here 0.34. What is the value of E naught cathode? Anode, this is 0.76. So this is minus 0.76 volt. Okay, sign change, minus plus, add them together, it will be 1.103 volt. Always remember, E naught cell, if it is positive, then you are doing correct. If it is negative, means your cell representation is wrong.